If you're a tech enthusiast or someone looking for the perfect balance of power, design, and functionality, you're in for a treat. Today, we're talking about one of the most exciting devices to hit the market, the Mac Mini M5. Now, we've all seen what Apple can do with its laptops and desktops, but what happens when they condense that powerhouse into a small, compact form? Is it still able to deliver the performance we expect from Apple? In this video, we're going to break down everything that makes the Mac Mini M5 a game-changer in the world of desktop computing. Stick with me until the end, because you won't want to miss a thing. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. First things first, let's talk about what's under the hood. The Mac Mini M5 is powered by Apple's latest M5 chip, which is a serious leap forward from its predecessors. This chip is designed to deliver blazing fast performance without sacrificing power efficiency. Whether you're running demanding applications, editing high-res videos, or simply multitasking between dozens of apps, the M5 chip ensures that everything runs smoothly and quickly. Apple's transition from Intel to its own custom silicon has been nothing short of revolutionary, and the M5 chip continues that legacy. It's optimized for performance and efficiency, allowing you to get more work done in less time while keeping energy consumption low. It's like having a high-performance sports car that's incredibly fuel-efficient. You get all the power without the high energy costs. Now, let's talk about the design. If you've ever used a Mac Mini before, you know that Apple has always prioritized compactness. But with the M5, it's not just about size, it's about sophistication and elegance. The Mac Mini M5 is small enough to fit on any desk, but it's built with a premium feel that's unmistakably Apple. It's sleek, minimalist, and packed with ports that allow you to connect virtually anything you need. Despite its small footprint, the Mac Mini M5 doesn't feel cheap. The solid aluminum body ensures that it's durable and robust, while the streamlined design keeps everything neat and clean. It's a device that looks at home in any environment, whether you're setting up a home office, building a creative studio, or integrating it into your living room setup. Let's get into the real meat of the Mac Mini M5, performance. If you've been using Intel-powered Macs in the past, you're in for a massive upgrade. The M5 chip ensures that every task, from everyday tasks to professional-grade workloads, runs faster and more efficiently than ever before. For example, if you're into video editing or 3D rendering, the Mac Mini M5 can handle it all. It's equipped with advanced GPU cores that provide incredible graphics performance, making it ideal for creative professionals who rely on fast rendering times. And if you're into gaming, the M5 chip's graphics capabilities will give you smoother gameplay and faster load times, bringing a new level of immersion to your experience. Multitasking is another area where the Mac Mini M5 excels. You can run multiple apps side by side, jump between tabs and tasks with ease, and switch between software programs without any noticeable lag. The M5 chip, paired with a unified memory architecture, allows your system to access data more efficiently, ensuring a smooth and responsive experience, no matter what you're working on. Now, we all know that battery life is a big concern when it comes to any device, but the Mac Mini M5 really shines in this area. Thanks to the efficiency of the M5 chip, the Mac Mini M5 has an incredibly long battery life, even when handling demanding workloads. You'll be able to work for hours without having to worry about plugging in, and that's something you can't say for a lot of high-performance desktops. In fact, the M5 chip's power efficiency allows the Mac Mini M5 to perform at a higher level while using less energy. Whether you're editing 4K video, running multiple virtual machines, or just browsing the web, you'll get more done on a single charge than ever before. And if you do need to plug in, charging is quick and efficient, meaning you spend less time tethered to an outlet. One of the things that sets the Mac Mini M5 apart from other desktops is its connectivity options. Apple has equipped the M5 with a variety of ports that allow you to connect external drives, monitors, and other peripherals with ease. You've got USB-C ports for fast data transfer, Thunderbolt 4 for ultra-fast connectivity, and HDMI for connecting to displays. Whether you're setting up a dual-monitor workstation or need to plug in external storage for a large video project, the Mac Mini M5 has you covered. What's even better is that the M5 supports Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0, ensuring you get fast, reliable wireless connectivity. You can stream, download, and transfer data faster than ever before, without any interruptions. Whether you're working with a team remotely or streaming 4K content from the web, you won't have to worry about connectivity issues. When it comes to storage and memory, the Mac Mini M5 doesn't cut any corners. With up to 64 gigabytes of unified memory and fast SSD storage, this device is built for speed. Whether you're working on large files, running resource-heavy applications, or simply storing a ton of media, you'll have all the space you need. The unified memory architecture means that the CPU, GPU, and other components can all share the same memory, making the Mac Mini M5 not only faster but also more efficient. This means you can edit video, work on graphic design projects, or even run heavy simulations without worrying about memory bottlenecks. And the SSD storage is blazing fast. You'll experience lightning-fast boot times, near-instant file access, and quick read/write speeds, which is especially important when working with large files or using resource-intensive software. Of course, no Mac is complete without Mac OS, and the Mac Mini M5 comes preloaded with the latest version of the operating system. Mac OS is known for its user-friendly interface, seamless integration with other Apple devices, and robust performance. The Mac Mini M5 takes full advantage of all the latest Mac OS features, including native support for the M5 chip, which ensures that your software runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're using Final Cut Pro for video editing, Logic Pro for music production, or any of the countless other applications available on the Mac App Store, you'll experience optimized performance with the M5 chip. Plus, Mac OS offers a smooth, intuitive user experience that makes getting work done a breeze. And let's not forget about security. With Apple's dedicated hardware and software integration, you get industry-leading security features, including the T2 chip and secure boot, ensuring your data is protected from threats. Whether you're handling sensitive information or just want peace of mind, macOS has your back. Now, we all know the Mac Mini isn't traditionally marketed as a gaming machine, but with the power of the M5 chip, things are changing. The Mac Mini M5 offers improved graphics performance, and while it might not replace a high-end gaming PC, it's more than capable of running most games smoothly. Whether you're playing casual games, indie titles, or more demanding 3D games, you'll find that the M5's GPU offers smooth gameplay with minimal lag, a premium feel that's unmistakably Apple. It's sleek, minimalist, and packed with ports that allow you to connect virtually anything you need. Despite its small footprint, the Mac Mini M5 doesn't feel cheap. The solid aluminum body ensures that it's durable and robust, while the streamlined design keeps everything neat and clean. It's a device that looks at home in any environment, whether you're setting up a home office, building a creative studio, or integrating it into your living room setup. Let's get into the real meat of the Mac Mini M5, performance. If you've been using Intel-powered Macs in the past, you're in for a massive upgrade. The M5 chip ensures that every task, from everyday tasks to professional-grade workloads, runs faster and more efficiently than ever before. For example, if you're into video editing or 3D rendering, the Mac Mini M5 can handle it all. It's equipped with advanced GPU cores that provide incredible graphics performance, making